Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create collage effects in CapCut by using the template. So here you just need to go to the template button and click on the search column at the top and then type in this keyword, EXO Growl collage. Okay, this one. Then you're going to just click on the first one, and then here click on the use template and select the photos to fill in the template. Okay, I'm going to select the photos. And after that, just click on preview and wait for the templates to generate. Okay, so now this is the preview and you can see the results in here. It will have like collage effects on the video, and after that you can just click on export if you're satisfied with the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.